What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode from Scalar Learning. We are again tackling SAT Khan Academy math problems, and we're going to start right now. Good morning, everybody, by the way. Today we are doing, operations with polynomials. All right, so here we go. Again, if you haven't seen these before, I'm solving these problems for the first time, which is always part of the fun. You never know what's going to totally happen. But the goal is so you can see me solve these problems in real time and actually see the problem-solving process up close. So that's the major benefit of tuning into this channel for SAT prep. And it's been highly, highly effective. If you like this video, please click that like button and subscribe if you haven't done so yet and you are prepping for an upcoming test, whether it's the SAT, ACT, IC, etc. And we also have weekly Friday study tips every Friday, minute study tips. All right, here we go. Which of the following is equivalent to the expression above? Look, what I always say for these types of problems when we see these polynomials, either FOIL or factor instinctively. But look, here we can do some distributing. So first things first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually distribute these two, get rid of the parentheses, and see if it equals one of these two, which are already FOILed. And if it doesn't, then I'll try and factor the entire equation. I have a feeling it's going to be one of these two up top. I just have a feeling, but could be wrong. Let's see. So that if I distribute this, it becomes 2x squared minus 4x. Then distribute the 3, it becomes plus 12 minus 3x squared. Okay, now we combine like terms. So it becomes negative x squared minus 4x plus 12. Let's see. Yep, that doesn't exist. So you see it's almost right, but it's a negative x squared, not a positive x squared. So now let's try and factor it. I have a feeling it's a. Let's see. Negative x and x. Actually, I could even just FOIL a, because the reason why it's a is because it gives me a minus x, and I have that's the only way we'll get a minus x. But let's try it this way. Let's see, 6 and 2. Yeah, I bet you this works because this becomes negative x squared, negative 6x. Positive 2x, which is negative 4x, and then positive 12. And that's a, they just flipped it. They said 6 plus x, 2 minus x, but it's the same thing. Okay, next. If the equation above is true for all values of y, where a and b are constants, which of the following is the value of b? All right, FOIL the left side, and then we see what matches up with b. So watch this. I'm going to rewrite the whole thing. Boom, 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 boom. So it's 3y squared plus 3ya minus 2y minus 2a. The b term is going to be whatever this is because it's whatever's multiplying that middle y term. So here's what I'm going to do is I'm going to factor out my y. And then I have 3a minus 2, right? Factor out the y from here and here. And that's my b term, 3a minus 2. Oh, wait. Hold on a second. Oh, you can actually get a value. Hold on, maybe I did something wrong. Let me see. 3y squared plus 3. Oh, I see. We can actually solve for a. That's why. All right. So the other thing is minus negative 2a apparently equals, or 2a equals 24, because you see how this last term is 24 and this last term links up with that. So 2a equals 24, therefore a equals 12. So now we can plug that in here. And it's 3 times 12 minus 2, which is 36 minus 2, which is 34. So that should be correct. All right, sweet. Next. Which of the following is the product of this? I think I can guess without actually doing it, but let's just write it out quickly. It's going to be one of these two. I can't tell. 5w squared or 11w squared. All right, let's just FOIL it. So first, we'll start with this one. Boom, boom. 2w squared minus 5w plus 4w minus 10. So we have 2w squared minus w minus 10 times 3w plus 4. Okay, now let's distribute. Again, sorry, FOIL again, excuse me. You know what? Hold on, let me do it like this. It'll be easier. I'm just gonna relocate the 3w plus 4 over here and move this guy. So it's gonna be like boom, 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 and then this goes boom, boom, boom. We have 6w cubed minus 3w squared minus 30w. Oh yeah, I learned a trick from a teacher, from a math teacher in LA. And then we will write this one when it distributes, we write it right under here. So it becomes plus 8w squared minus, see this becomes minus 4w. See how I'm lining the terms up? Minus 40, and then everything is already lined up. So then I know it's 6w cubed. These guys combine to become 5w squared. These guys combine to become negative 34w, and this is minus 40, so it's C. Okay, here we go. What is P times X? Basically, multiply this times this, that's it. So we're going to do the same trick as last time, G plus 5 times G squared plus 10G plus 25. All right, here we go. This one is G cubed plus 10G squared plus 25G over, plus, remember I'm going to line it up, 5G squared plus 50G plus 125, yeah? Okay, oops. And then we have G cubed plus 15G squared plus 75G plus 125. Whoa, wait. Oh, dang. I chose the wrong, I already know what I did. I chose the wrong, I should have looked at the answers first. So this is what it is, but I see what they did. They actually, this is probably factorable. So in this case, I should have quickly glanced at the question, at the answers, and known not to have done that, so I wouldn't have wasted my time. So I'm going to erase all of this. Okay, and I'm going to factor this guy. So it's G plus 5. And then this is also G plus 5 times G plus 5. I can already see, because look, this becomes G squared, 5G, which is 10G plus 25. And then it just ends up becoming G plus 5 cubed. This guy. Last but not least, number 5. Oh my god, this one looks insane. Let's see. Okay, we're gonna combine. So I quickly glanced at the answers, and I'm seeing that they've all factored out a 1/3. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna combine like terms here, and then factor out 1/3, and that's it. So the S is gonna hit that, and the -2 is gonna hit that. So we've still got 7/3 S cubed plus 7/3 S squared. Okay, then -7S plus S is -6S. And then it's -2 and 4/3 becomes -2/3. -2/3, like that. Okay. All right, so then, let's see, now we factor out a third. So it's 1/3 times 7S cubed plus 7S squared. Factor out a third from that is 18. Okay, the reason why I know that's 18 is because I know that 1/3 of 18 brings us back to 6. So I'm just doing it in my head. But, I'm just, because that's what I'm doing. I know that these are right too, because if I redistribute it, I go back to 7/3, 7/3, okay? And then if I pull out a 1/3, hold on, this one, it's like 6, it's 2 minus 2, okay? 1/3 of 2, -2 is -2/3, and that's my answer. So let's see. It's this one, I think. 7s cubed, 7s squared, -18s minus 2. Yep, should be right. Yeah. All right, that's it. All right, thank you guys so much. Again, if you like what you see, please click that like button. And if you want to see more from Scalar Learning, more test prep, math-related amazingness, click that subscribe button. And that's it. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. I'll see you guys next time. And if you're new to the channel, check out the schedule on my channel homepage. You can see exactly when I'm going to be posting content every week, 5 days a week. New videos are coming out. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you all next time. Take it easy. Oh, wait, actually, let me see if I got any questions. No, we're good to go. All right. Peace.